Hi everyone, welcome to Math Grade 6 Semester 1. This is going to be a little video on showing you how do you get to your assignments every day. And there are multiple ways to do it. If you're taking other classes, you might have been shown different ways to do it on those classes. You may have even seen different ways to do it on some of the material that you watch, like the welcome material. But I want to talk to you about how you should go about doing it every single time you log into Math Grade 6 so you stay in order of what you're supposed to do. Because math can be a little bit tricky with where everything is. So notice I'm on the home page right now. So when you log in, this is where you'll be. If you haven't already collapsed this widget, so there's this getting started in your course. Collapsing the widget means we have to go click on that little arrow and then hit collapse this widget. Otherwise, you're never going to see all my news items. So make sure you do that. And then we scroll down every week. I am going to post this little box. It looks very similar to your pace chart. It will have the date in here for when you have to do stuff, because we might not have class Monday through Friday every week. We might have like Thanksgiving or summer break or something. So this will change a little bit in terms of the dates, but I will post it every week on a Monday so that you can walk in on Monday morning and say, oh, this is what we have to do. So on Monday when you come to class, you will click right on this pre-assessment link, and all of a sudden it will open up, begin here, lesson link, and that's where you're supposed to be. And look, there's pre-assessment. So we click pre-assessment, and the pre-assessment is going to load up, loading all the questions, and then you're going to take this pre-assessment to the best of your ability. And when you're done with the questions, you'll hit submit, and then it will let you know if you've tested out of any of the units. Okay, so to get back to that home page, we just scroll up here and go back and click on Math Grade 6. That takes us back to the home page. And then let's say you're coming in on Tuesday. So you're going to notice something kind of funny here. When I go into Tuesday, I'm going to hit Presentation, Examples, Practice, and Review. And I'm going to click on that. And hey, it took me to the same place that I was when I took the pre-assessment. Well, that's fine, but now that you're done with the pre-assessment, you'll click on the next thing, which says My Learning Path. And My Learning Path is going to connect to what those names of the items were that you need to work on. So, for example, let me click back on the home page. It will give you a name when you click on, so the pre-assessment was pre-assessment. Now this one is place value and names for whole numbers. So click on that, okay, and then we go to My Learning Path, and then we scroll down and we click on place value and names for whole numbers. Perfect. So you're going to complete the warm-up if there is one. You're going to complete the presentation. You're going to complete the worked examples, and this is the fun one, the topic text. Look how I'm going to do this very quickly. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and hit the continue button. In this case, it took me right to the practice. Sometimes it'll do that if you hit the continue button. It'll take you to the next thing. So look, you can just hit the little home button here, and it'll take you back to that warm-up, presentation, worked examples, practice, and review. Okay, so you try it now and see what happens. But I will also show you that, we have to go back to here real quick. I will also show you that when you go back to the beginning and you log in on Wednesday, okay, Wednesday is supposed to be rounding whole numbers, you're going to hit presentation, examples, all that is going to take you back to the same page. You are in the right place. Now you click My Learning Path and you scroll down. This should have a check mark next to it because you have completed the place values and names for whole numbers, and then you hit the rounding. So again, warm up, presentation, worked examples, scroll through that topic text. You don't need to worry about it. Complete the practice and complete the review. Here's something about the review. When you have done the review, if you feel that your score is lower than you'd like it to be, you may take it again. That's up to you for the review. So that's just something to kind of look at. And I will show you, oops, I just clicked on this, hold on. I'm trying to pull this up here. So I'm in this, it says I'm in the NROC when I'm here in this rounding whole numbers review. If I'm trying to get back to the whole, like the lesson page, I can't go back on this page. I have to go back to begin here. So that'll take me back to the system that we're working in, okay? If for some reason on your pre-assessment you already knew how to add whole numbers and applications, you'll see a check mark there. So if you come into this and you see a check mark next to that day's assignment, you get the day off because you already tested out of it. So if you have questions, please let me know, but this is how we go through every single time. And I tell you what, it's very easy for people to get lost. So I always tell students, keep clicking on the stuff that I present here, okay? Every week it's going to give you the date and it's going to give you the assignment, and the date and the assignment. You want to keep going in order. You only need to click here, and when you want to check your grades, you hit the quick link to your grades. And I have no grades because I have not done anything, and all your grades will be here and you'll have like your total, okay? So please, 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 those are the only two places that you need to go. Math Grade 6 homepage, you click on the news items, ding, 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 whichever one you have to do for that day, and then your quick links to grades. You don't need to be any place else, okay? I hope that makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.